live the life that I love. I love the life that I live. Tomorrow's not promised, but I'll keep the things that I need.
Hi everyone, family friends, welcome to Becky TV. In today's video, I'm showing you how to prepare that okra that you can eat without pounded yam. Now when you're looking for that vitamin, this okra will give you everything you need. So let's get started. Here I have vegetable, my okra, I have mushroom, I have all the obstacle here, the meat, the shaki pomo, fresh fish, homemade smoked mackerel, homemade catfish. And here I have my homemade crayfish, pepper, homemade garlic powder, homemade mushroom powder, and homemade ginger powder. Why I say homemade? Because I make them myself. Right? I have onion, I have my bimo, carbonated pepper. What's it called again? Paprika? I don't know, but leave it in that comment section if you know the name, English name for this. But in French they call it piment. And I have oil, palm oil. I have my, locust beans. It's finished. So I have my gnocchi, and here I have my stock. Here I have my stock, which I used to boil some meats there. So stay tuned, guys. Let's try please. Guys, it's a result of okra. Let's go. Come on, yeah. guys. So guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe, share to family members, friends. Okay, see you in my next one. Bye.
It happen to anyone.